This dance is called Drink Champagne. 32 count, 4 waltz. It's an improver level line dance, and there's no tag and no restart for this dance. Let me show you the main dance. Starting with your right foot, do a forward mambo with your right. Rock, recover, back. Do a back mambo on the left. Back, recover, forward. Walk right, walk left. Right, left. Make a pivot quarter turn to your left. Pivot quarter turn with a cross. Section 1 with a count. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Section 2, side rock, recover, cross. Side, recover, cross. Repeat, side, recover, cross. Make a quarter shuffle to your right, gradually turning. Back, lock back, and a back coaster with the right. Back together, forward. Section 2 with a count. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Section 3. Cross samba. Cross left over right. Cross, recover, side. Cross right over left samba. Cross, recover, side. Cross left over right. Step right to the side. Behind, side, cross. Section 3 with a count. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Last section. Step your right to the side. Touch left next to right. Step left to the side. Drag your right close to left. Behind, side, cross. Make a 1-8 facing 10-30 with your left. Step forward. Touch right next to left. Step your right back, still facing 10-30. Kick. Step your left back. Make a 3-8 turn to your right. As you turn, step, you clap. Step your left forward and you click. Make your hands over your body. Okay, now, so last section with a count. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Let me go through the dance from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. And you repeat the dance from here, 3 o'clock.